Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, Crafty DIY Guy, and I'm back. I have got a video for you today that is going to be a combination. It is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. And then I had a really cool yard sale haul that I think I would like to share. And it's not a huge haul, a huge haul, but it is some really fun stuff. And I got some great deals on some things. So I thought it would be fun just to kind of combine them because the Dollar Tree haul is not real big. Well, it's not real big for me, but it's a nice haul. And then the yard sale stuff that I snagged was actually really cool. So let's just jump into it because I don't want to make this too long. So I have been looking for these trays for a while because I had an idea for a DIY, and then I couldn't find them, and then they were back in stock at my store. So I grabbed one of these. I thought that this lighter color would be the easiest to paint, so we'll see. These are some Dollar Tree cutting boards. If you guys saw my Instagram contest that I did, hopefully you're following me there as well. I'm giving away some of these because I was tardy in awarding the prize. So that's for those winners. And then, is there anything in here? There's nothing in there. I found the ever so popular triangle shadow boxes. You guys may remember they have the houses typically. And I was able to find 3 of them. So I grabbed them in these assorted colors. I have no freaking idea what I'm going to do with them. I thought about doing like some sort of art project and like making a big circle out of them maybe, or I guess it would be an octagon or a pentagon. I don't know what it would be. It would be a shape. And I thought about doing something like that and maybe doing something for outside, but I don't know yet. But I wanted to snag some because we know how Dollar Tree is. Once you see it, it will be gone. And then in this bag, I also saw this. And I feel like I've seen this from a couple people that have shared it, but I've never seen it in my store. And they actually had one in white as well. I didn't grab the white one, but I wanted to share that there's a white one also available. These I was super excited to find, and I found 3 things. These little kind of ceramic. That's the feet. That's why I don't know why they're white, but that's the feet. But like this just decorative little knick-knack thing. I love a knick-knack. Lord knows I love a knick-knack. And I bought 2 of them. And they had these in white, I think, as well as the black. But I thought that they were super cute. And I wanted to get 2 of them because I thought of a couple different ideas. And I don't know if it would really work or not, but we're going to see. So if they come to a DIY, then you know it worked. And then they had this shape too. I don't like the color combo of this shape, so I'm probably going to end up painting it. But it's just kind of a cool, like, again, just a little decorative piece. And I just think it's so neat looking. And I don't mind the gold, but I don't really care for the gray. So I think I'm going to chalk paint it. I think I'm going to chalk paint it black. And with the gold and with this just sitting on a table, I think that would be really cute. So we will see. Hopefully it doesn't end up at in the junk pile. I found more men's socks. If you know me, you know I love socks. And so great stocking stuffers, by the way. And look at those. They're like hamburgers. And I love a hamburger. So I thought those were super fun. And again, great stocking stuffers. I'm actually going to be doing some holiday gift ideas. I'm going to be doing some affordable clothing stuff. And then I'm going to be doing some affordable like gift basket ideas for Dollar Tree. So more to come there. The other thing I grabbed were these mini ornaments because I do have a small tree. I have a regular like 6-foot tree as well. And then I have a couple smaller trees. And I don't know, I don't think I'm going to set up a tree this year. I think I'm going to do a small tree. My mantle is going to be crazy. So that's kind of where my focus is, but we'll see. I may change my mind. But I grabbed some of these ornaments because, one, they're available now, and also because I wanted to get some stuff to decorate the small tree with. So that, more to come there. And then they have a great setup of their fall candles, especially the tea lights. These are the orange ones, perfect for fall. These are scented. They're pumpkin spice, which typically I don't really, I love pumpkin spice flavor. I don't like the candles that kind of have that sweet caramelly vanilla kind of a smell. It's just not one of my favorites, but this has enough of enough other stuff in it to make me kind of like it. I thought it was, and then I have this really cool candle holder thing on the wall that's got white tea lights in it right now, and so I think I'll put the orange ones in there for fall. I don't know. I'm gonna do a decorate with me video as well. I just have to grasp the concept of like decorating now, even though like fall is, well, I guess it's kind of fall. Anyway, you feel my pain. I found the floating shelves at Dollar Tree. And I have found these before. They sell out really quickly. I just happened to be there when a truck got there. So they were putting these out literally on my shelf when I got there. So I grabbed 2 of those, not being greedy grabbers. But I think I can use those in my bathroom. And then for that tree I mentioned, I thought that this was super cute. It's just a little star topper, but it has an LED light in it as well. And it's not lighting up. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I was like, there's a pin in here somewhere. So let's pull the pin and see if it actually works. Look at that. But I thought that was super cute, and it's $1. So I thought that could be great for my little mini tree that I'm gonna set up. And it's a cute little mini tree, so don't worry. And then I also have a ceramic tree with like the little, looks like light bright pegs. That's what it reminds me of anyway. That was my grandmother's that my mom actually made for my grandmother. So that will go up for sure. No problems there. And then I just grabbed a thing of twine because I'm out of twine and I can't find the really big bundles of twine at Dollar Tree anymore. So hopefully they will come back in stock very soon. All right, let's get to the yard sale stuff. Now, my neighborhood, if you've watched any of my Trashmas videos, and I'll include them below if you want to check them out. But so twice a year in my neighborhood, we do a bulk trash pickup. And the bulk trash pickup is when you can get rid of like old furniture or debris, you know, not so much like construction material, but just large things that you couldn't typically put like in your normal trash can. And it would be stuff that you would normally have to take to the dump. So usually Trashmas is really good because what happens is the weekend before Trashmas, there's always a big yard sale. And in the spring, we didn't have the yard sale because of COVID. And we ended up having a phenomenal Trashmas. I got so many great things. My bar, like just incredible things. And I'll link those Trashmas videos below because there's actually 2 or 3 that I have from a previous year too. And then the weekend after the yard sale is kind of when the Trashmas happen. So whatever doesn't sell at the yard sale, people get rid of at Trashmas. Well, because we didn't have Trashmas in the spring, or the yard sale in the spring, sorry, the Trashmas was really good. This year we had a yard sale that was COVID friendly, and so we didn't have a great Trashmas. And to be honest, I didn't really need anything, so I didn't go out hunting like I typically do for Trashmas. But I got some really great things at the yard sale. This is a great example. A food storage set. This is brand new, y'all. Brand new, like legit, brand new. Everything is still in the packaging. I would guess, I don't know if there's a price on here of what the original price was, but look at the number of containers that are in here. Like, it is phenomenal. And there's these great labels that you can label everything with. There are there's two 5.2 liter containers. There's 6 1.6 liter containers. There's 20 stickers. There's a marker. What? I didn't know about that. And then there's looks like a measuring cup or something. But how cool is this? I paid $10 for them, and I thought it was worth it because this is a amazing set for storing, for food storage. You know, I'm working on another video also that's kind of like a, bad weather, possible COVID lockdown, coming soon type of thing where we know that, one in Atlanta, for example, where I'm at, we get really bad ice storms and sometimes we're shut down for a week. And just having supplies on hand that you need, and then also there's the possibility of another COVID shutdown. And, I want to be prepared for those kind of things. And I'm shopping now while things are available in the store. So anyway, that's another video, and that's talking about the food prep and everything. This one I was super excited to find, and this was $3. And I could leave this exactly the way it is, and I think it would be absolutely gorgeous. But look at this. Look at this amazing wreath, and look how thick it is. This was probably like so expensive in the stores. I can't even imagine how much this thing would be. But y'all, it was $3. It was $3 freaking dollars. Look at that. I look like one of those like Renaissance. Hello, darling. But I really love this so much. And I think it would be amazing just on the door as is. I think it would be amazing with ferns in it. I think it could be incredible with boxwood in it, or just as is with ribbon on it. I'm stoked about that one. I'm really, really, really excited. The other thing I got, and I forgot about that. I bought a Gnome Tree. Y'all, it's brand new. It's never been opened. Never been opened. Guess how much I paid for it? Can you see it on the front there? It was $5. $5. And you know what? He's going to stand right next to this Christmas tree. He's going to stand right next to the fireplace. That's why I don't need to set up a big tree, because I'm going to have the gnome tree. I'm going to have my other tree. I'm going to have my grandma's tree. I'm going to be tree set. So don't be getting sad about that for me. But look how cute he is. Like, how adorable is this guy? And I'm super excited about him. Heck, I might even put him out on the front porch. Who knows? But he's got arms and a little hat and a beard. And he was $5. And I saw these at Walmart the other day, actually. And I looked at the price, but I don't remember what it was. I think it was like $5 or no, like $15, $20 maybe. I don't know. Let's see. What do I want to try next? So I bought these Tibetan prayer flags. I thought that they were so cute. Oh, those are backwards. I just think they're fun. I love the meaning behind them. If you don't know the meaning behind them, definitely look them up, because each one of the colors are significant. But honestly, I thought it would just be fun to put outside on the front porch when the renovations are finally done. October. And super cute again, and they were $0.25, 25 cents. So, very fun, something cool. It was cool. I keep saying cool. I even thought I could even put it like on my desk or somewhere. I'll figure it out. What else? So, I grabbed a salad bowl, and it was a wooden bowl, and it's got some schmutz in it. But super cool. Love the way it looks. And it was actually a complete set. So it was this wooden bowl and the 4 bowls to go with it. And spoons. Salad spoons and tongs and stuff. Now, I am going to take some mineral oil and polish these up. It's a food-safe mineral oil, and it's the same mineral oil that I actually use on my countertops in my kitchen because my my kitchen is all butcher block countertop. And it was $3. The whole set, $3. And again, this is something that looks beautiful just sitting on a shelf. I have open shelving, like industrial open shelving in my kitchen as well. And something like this would just look amazing just sitting up there on the, you know, ready for me to grab whenever I need it. So again, thought that that was super cute. I'm running out of room here. And then I have, well, this was a freebie. Little shot glass. I was just looking at them and I was like, hey, how much do you want for one? And the guy was like, just take it. So I took it. And then there was some folks that were, well, I'll show this first. I have two more things. Well, three more things. So there is a lady that lives in my neighborhood and she is a potter. And she is making ceramics. I think that's the proper name for her. Her name is Jess. And she's just in the process of like getting set up, and I hope that she has an Etsy store or something very, very soon. She's extremely talented, and she had these like little whiskey glasses, but you could use them for planted pots. You could use those for so many things, but look how gorgeous these are, and look at the insides. I love them so much, and she does sign them on the bottom. But what I thought was super beautiful about these is, one, they're like my favorite colors ever. And they are glazed on the inside, so they are food safe. You can use these for bourbon, and you can use these for a drink. And I don't know if I'm going to use them for that, or if I'm going to use them for like candles, or for a little succulent or something. I got both of these for $15. Like handmade pottery. I'm going to support a local artist when I can. And I mean, they're so cute. I would serve them, like use them on my bar. They're really, really cute. I even think, I even thought about one of them might be like a cool salt well. That's the salt. Like a salt well or something. I don't know. I thought it was neat. And then it was funny because there was a lady that was selling, actually the lady that I got the $3 wreath from. She's in charge of the census, and or she works for the census, and I had some census swag, so that was something. And then there was a couple there that had just gotten married, and they did a whole like kind of a farmhouse wedding theme, and they had these wood slices that they put out on their tables, and they had them stacked, and they had candles, and these were sitting in a free pile. And you better believe I grabbed them because they're free, because I love free. I will take something that's free even if I don't need it because it's free. And I don't know, I'm kind of thinking like something architectural, and maybe doing a stacking thing and, you know, screwing them together and then putting a foot or something on this end. But I don't know, I'm feeling them. I really, really loved them a lot. And then the last thing I grabbed, that was $3, was this huge container and a lid. Because I'm getting so much stuff lately that it's hard for me to store it all. And these bins are quite expensive in the store, and it was a $3 bin, so I figured I might as well get it because I can put it in the attic with the rest of them. This one, because it is so big, I'll probably use it for some holiday stuff. But anyway, that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed this combo Dollar Tree and yard sale haul. I figured it wasn't worth making 2 videos for. I thought that would be kind of silly, and I enjoyed sharing my stuff with you. So more to come. I'm working on some crafts this weekend, and I should have another video launching on hopefully Saturday or Sunday. So see you guys.